In this video, I'll show you how to file taxes on TurboTax without a W-2. This method is especially useful if you're a freelancer, contractor, or have income outside traditional employment. Start by visiting the official TurboTax website and sign into your account. If you don't have one, simply create a new account with your basic details. Once you're on your dashboard, go to the Federal section and open the Wages and Income area. Even though you don't have a W-2, this is where you'll report your income. Use the search bar to look up the 1099-NEC form, which is the standard form for reporting self-employment or contractor income. Follow the prompts to enter your income accurately. Next, move to the self-employment section. Here you'll add details about any business income and expenses. Don't skip this step because recording expenses can help reduce your taxable income. TurboTax provides tips along the way to guide you through what counts as deductible. Finally, once you've entered all the information, start the filing process and carefully review your entries. With these steps, you can file confidently on TurboTax even without a W-2.